Hi guys, welcome back to Focus Android YouTube channel. This video I will discuss how to add extension in Opera browser in your PC. Okay, we start by open the Opera browser application. After we entering the Opera browser application, you need to go to the top right corner right here. We click on here and will appear cube symbol here. We click here and appears like this is extension and we click on manage extension. This is the extension already installed in my Opera browser, and if you want to get more extension you can click right here, get more extension. And now here we can find more extension. It's so many extension you can add to your Opera browser. For example, here I will add Internet Download Manager extension. I will find in the search. After you find it, you click on the extension. And to add this extension, you need to click Add to Opera button. And it will be installing. And as you can see here, the extension is already added to your Opera browser.